We're going to a pumpkin patch. Look at the pumpkins, honey. Do you see the pumpkins? Yeah.
Pumpkins.
We're gonna walk through here. We gotta buy tickets. Here it comes. Is Patterson coming? Hi, tractor.
Oh, you heard Michelle say that.
Do you see it? Hi. Say hi, baby. Do you want a tractor?
Say hi, babe.
We could go for a ride. Wee.
Oh, are you having so much fun? Do you like the tractor?
Yeah. The tractor's fun, huh? Yes. I know. Look at the apple trees, honey. Apples, right?
I didn't bring a hat.
You gonna climb the hay bales? Can you get up? You can do it. Go on, pull up there.
You can do it. You gotta do strong. Good job.
Go on, you gonna climb? What do you think? Wow.
Is that cool?
There's a slide. Do you want to go down the slide? Wow, are you swinging in a big tire? Tractor. Wow, you are a good driver, chicken.
Down?
All done? Keep going.
Hi, little one. What are you doing?
Hi. Go walk down to Daddy.
Come on. You can walk. Stand up. Stand up. You're getting really dirty. Stand up. Stand up.
Good
There you-
job.
There you go.
Wee.
Good job. Want to walk back to mommy? You can turn around and walk back to mom.
No. Are you gonna walk back?
Walk back to mommy. Go get mommy.
Come here, love. Come on. Wee. Hi, lady. Good job. Was that fun? Good job, sweet bear. You're swinging.
All done.
Hi guys, so we just got back from like a fall fest. It was so fun. She had such a good time. It was at like a apple orchard and they had a bunch of kids stuff for her to do there. But here in Ohio, it is October and it is currently 86 degrees out. It's unreal. So I had my hair down, but I had to put it up. I tried to like get ready somewhat today and put on some makeup, but I was like sweating. It was so hot out. So I'm trying to get her down for a nap right now. She fell asleep on the way home for about a half hour, so I don't know that she's going to actually take a decent nap today. That may have been her nap. She's 15 months old. She takes typically just one nap a day, and it's usually about 2 to 3 hours long. But she's never been a great napper, and if she takes like a cat nap like she took on the way home, forget about it. She ain't gonna fall asleep. So fingers crossed that she does take a nap so I can get some stuff done around the house. My husband had off today, so we got to spend the day with him. We typically don't get to spend the day as a family, so this is a nice treat. And I think we're gonna try to go to dinner later on. Who's a no-napper? Who's a no-napper? Yeah. Are we loud? Is that nice to do? Huh? Is Lovey on the ground? No! I think Lovey's on the ground. Love? Who's that?
Dada.
Is that Dada?
Hi, baby.
Dada? You're silly. Oh. You got your baby? Oh, are you giving her a bath? Did you rock your baby? Oh, you are a sweet, sweet girl. Why'd you throw her? Are you swimming? Beautiful, beautiful fall day, huh? This does not happen in Ohio. We don't swim in October in Ohio. You love it? Where's your ducky? There's your duckies. What do duckies say? Quack, quack. Are you washing her? Baby needs washed? Can you say, I had so much fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. You had so much fun today? Yeah. We had fun today. We are ending the vlog from another day. Our day at the pumpkin patch, huh? So can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. Say love you.
Bye.
No love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button below. My husband and I are going to be going through a frozen embryo transfer here within the next month. We are so excited. So please join our journey. We hope to see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.